Hey guys, so I'm done with my injury videos and all my casts and boots and broken bones and sprains and whatever. So, on to something new to videotape. Something new for your enjoyment. This is Sniffles. She is my 17-year-old family cat. She has been here for like ever. A few years ago, her son, Junior, died of colon cancer. You've probably seen him. So I'm showing off Sniffles today because a couple days ago on Thursday she woke up blind. And she has hypertension and something wrong with her kidneys. They found a heart murmur, which she never had before, but surprise. And she's getting around really well. Like, you wouldn't even know this cat was blind. She knows where her food bowl is. She knows where her water is. She has been like the perfectly potty trained cat. She's really good at the litter box now. I guess since her kidneys are starting to be taken care of and the hypertension is treated with the medication, she's very well litter trained. Oh look, she's kneading. What a happy little cat. So I've been busy with this cat, taking care of her, and I'm still taking care of my little kitty Philip. He's locked up in the basement right now because he can't be around her. Sniffles. See, if you heard that little grunty sound, she's normal. She's back. Sniffles made her grunty sound. So she's acting her normal self. We made these little stairs out of pillows for her to get up on the couch, but sometimes she doesn't even need that. She has her little bed there, and I made her a blanket, and I crocheted in Braille, using the bobble stitch, her name. I wrote Sniffles, the blind kitty cat. I have been reading and writing Braille for about a year. I crochet blankets with Bible verses on them. I sell them in my Etsy shop, Knit Witty Crafts, capital K-N-I-T-T, capital W-I-T-T-Y, capital C-R-A-F-T-S. So check it out if you want a Bible verse blanket or doll clothes or baby things. I've got that shop. I have all sorts of fun stuff there. I'm working on another Braille blanket. I'm not sure if I'm selling it or giving it as a gift or something. I always have stuff to give away, but I'm working really hard on another Bible blanket. I'm doing Psalm 23. So this is my blind cat. I'm kind of wondering if she has any sight at all, because she's doing really, really well. I'm thinking she can sense light, but I'm not sure how much she can see. Her left eye had a bit of a cataract, and the vet said her retinas were detached. I have a feeling, like I just said, she can sense light. Maybe she has some vision, but she's a cat. She can't tell you. She can't talk to you. So you see how well she's getting around. She's adapting. She has a great sense of smell. I've been feeding her chicken and tuna and kind of spoiling her. And she's kneading. She's kneading that blanket. She's happy. So this is Sniffles, the blind cat. And I just thought you guys might want to see my blind cat. Especially since Homer, the blind cat, if you've heard of Homer, he got a lot of views and everything. So I thought I'd make Sniffles famous. Sniffles is now a movie star. So Sniffles is about 17 and a half. She was born like somewhere between September and November 2002. She's had 4 kittens in June 2003. I kept one kitten and he went off to heaven a couple years ago. So you see that she's like acting like she's not even blind. Look at that. So this is Sniffles, the blind cat, the amazing little old lady cat. She is like amazing. I think she's figuring things out. She's learning. Let's see if she jumps. Let's see where she goes now. Come on, kitty. Wanna go up here? Come on. Sniffy. Jump. Oh, here she comes. She made it! Oh my goodness, she made it! This is like the first time she jumped up here. This is so cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll try to post more blind kitty cat updates and show you just how amazing Sniffles is. Yeah, he's so amazing little cat. Thanks for watching. Bye.